Good afternoon, teacher. In this opportunity, I'm going to present the next activity. Lunch with friends. Today, Sunday, while chatting with my university friends, we decided to have lunch together. We also planned to prepare our own lunch. So we went shopping for the necessary ingredients, like chicken and potatoes, since we already have vegetables at home. We cooked baked chicken with potatoes and steamed vegetables. They want strawberry juice, but I didn't have any strawberries in my kitchen. So they bought some and made their own. It was a lovely day and lunch, where we shared and learned a little from each other. We didn't know how to cook. Well, that's all. Thank you.